Time is slim, but what I'm gonna do now is cut the pieces to the length and shape, maybe, if I'm lucky and fast enough, and then we'll see. So this is going to be a table. That's the construction. There's gonna be legs going up, and the last point I'm gonna do is do the actual tabletop. So the battery died, but it is the construction. So after welding the legs, I flipped it upside down. Wait, messing with the... I flipped it upside down, so that's the top, and got all the welds in all around, and then I wanted to talk about it, but then that's when I saw that the battery died. Yeah, right now I'm gonna inspect all the welds, if I'm not missing any. That's the frame ready. I'm gonna grind down some of the welds to make it smooth, to make it kind of even. I don't know how even the construction is, but I want the metal sheet to sit on it as good as possible. So, while hammering down this bracket for the leg, the plastic got cut off, kind of. I mean, the wall thickness is 2 millimeters and it is designed for wall thickness 1.5, but it was said that it can be fitted in the 2 millimeter wall profile by hammering it in. With a risk of it being destroyed, but it is not destroyed. It is sitting very tight, which is very good. I'm just gonna cut off this after I'm done, and the leg is working. I just need like a nut here to have it counter, because I don't think I'm gonna have it in the most down position all the time, but we're gonna see. I have found 6 of these which fit perfectly the thread. So right now I'm gonna go and put them on to the maximum and then screw this in here, and we're gonna have a working table, working legs, which can be adjusted when it's in the right position. So now I've got to make sure this is level and all the legs are on the floor, because this one is not, and it's kind of wobbly, and that's gonna be it. Okay, I've started to do some cleaning. It is looking good. I've organized the stuff, the room. It is used, I think, 100%. I'm tired and I've been given a sign, so my phone just ran out of the charge. So I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna rest, I'm gonna shower because I'm all dirty and I can see that. But I'm happy. It is a massive success. It is great. The garage is expanded. The table is ready. Now the shelves. And after the shelves, some cleaning, and we get to start working on the car. Can't wait. Yep. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.